Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very chilled out, easy to do makeup that you can do easily pretty much anywhere and everywhere. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. A good dewy makeup look starts from prepping up the skin well. I will start with the toner. So I'm using this Good Vibes Rose Toner. It's really nice, good affordable toner that you can use for yourself. Just spritz the toner all over your face and let the skin soak the toner. While my toner is setting into my skin slowly, I will apply a lip mask. This one is from Just Her, their peach variant. It's the best that you apply it overnight and you will always wake up with softer and well hydrated lips. But I like to use this underneath my lipstick, especially in winters, because it keeps the lips well hydrated. Now next step is the moisturization. No matter what your skin type is, it is very important that your face is well moisturized and well hydrated before you apply any makeup on it. This Good Vibes Rosehip Serum works excellently, glides onto the skin really well, and it even helps all the following products blend into your skin really better. I like to apply any gel or any eye cream underneath my eyes as well. We would never apply foundation before slathering on moisturizer. Now the same logic applies to under eyes as well. So don't forget to hydrate your under eyes for long lasting and to prevent concealer from creasing. Now first I will do my brows, for which I am using Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. My experience with this pencil was quite good, as it was my first ever brow pencil purchase and it went well. It not only makes the eyebrows look darker, but it also makes them look even fuller. The color of the pencil is dark brown and the texture is very creamy. With every stroke, you will see more color payoff, which is a good thing, as it don't give a very dark color in just one go. It gives you a lot of control over the product. Taking the brush side of the pencil, I'll just brush through my brows so that any excess product will spread nicely. And I will have a nicer, fuller, natural looking brows. Next, I will apply a concealer. The one I'm using is from Eva Cosmetics in the shade medium. It is a nice product that works great on the blemishes. It hides any dark spots very effortlessly. The shade medium is slightly light compared to other company, so I like to use this as a highlighting concealer. I will apply this over my eyelid to prime them so the eyeshadows look good and to cancel out any pigmentation on my eyelids. You can blend them using any tool, but I love to use my fingers because the warmth of the finger helps the product to blend better. Next, to set the concealer in the place, I'm using Fit Me Compact. I don't remember the shade because it was written on and it's all worn out. I'll just take a fluffy brush and apply the compact all over the lid. Here comes my all-time favorite eyeshadow palette. This is the only eyeshadow palette I have and I love using this again and again. So I'll start with this brown shade as my transition shade and we'll start to blend this. This eyeshadow palette has 4 matte shades and 5 shimmer shades. The palette is extremely pigmented, but with a lighter shade you need to build up a little. This is ideal palette for beginners who are trying to learn, and even to people like me who loves their subtle neutral shades on the eyes. Once it is nicely blended and I like the color, I'll take the dark brown shade and put it on the outer V of my eye. By the way, I'm using the same brush. Now taking a clean fluffy eyeshadow brush, I will blend both the shades so that it looks very seamless. Then I'll take this gorgeous silver shimmery shade on my fingers and then apply this on the half of my eyelid, starting from inner corner till the center of my eyelid. Now taking this black shade on a pencil brush, I will just accentuate my lash lines. This gives a very nice and defined eye shape. If you want, you can apply an eyeliner, but I don't like eyeliner on my eye shape, so I tend to skip eyeliners. For that final touch on this eye look, I'll take this champagne sort of shade on another brush and I will just apply this in my inner corners. Now let's move on to the face. I like to apply an illuminating primer. This one is from Swiss Beauty in the shade Golden Tint. A little goes a long way. You only need 1 to 2 pumps of this for your entire face. You can only apply this and go out. It looks incredibly beautiful on its own. I will dot this on my entire face and then blend this using my fingers. You can use any tool, but I like to do it with my fingers. Just like any other primer, it brightens and evens out the skin, reduces any appearance of pores and smoothens any fine lines. When you apply foundation, it glides on like butter and gives a dewy finish to your makeup. While I think we don't need a primer every day, but it really helps to keep the makeup on, especially on a busy day. For the base, I'm using this Pond's BB cream in the shade Light. I love to use BB creams because the application and the touch-up is hassle-free. I will just dot the cream directly from the tube to my entire face and then using a face brush, I will blend this all. So the BB cream blends in very easily without the help of any cosmetic tool. And this makes the product worth an investment. It is affordable, easily available and apt for the day-to-day use. I would highly recommend you to try the Pond's BB cream once. They have very small tube available also. The coverage is light to medium with a natural glow to the face. You will still be able to see some dark spots peeking through, which is absolutely fine with me. I'll just apply the same concealer under my eyes to hide any dark circles, and I will also apply to usual areas that I love to brighten up. So when I was filming this video, I had a little zest on that day, so I applied concealer on that too and blended everything with my fingers. Now again, taking a fluffy powder brush, I will set my under eyes using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette, using the lightest shade or the banana shade you can see under my eyes. It will help to highlight the under eye area. It does not look powdery on my skin, something that I really adore. The bronzer gives a beautiful natural finish that instantly adds warmth to my face. Whenever I use a BB cream or a medium coverage foundation, I use bronzer to add a bit of warmth. I use a small face brush to apply the bronzer shade. This is my go-to contour palette. This shade is perfect color for me. It is not too warm and therefore gives me a very realistic tan. Now adding back a little bit of color on my face, I will use this Eva Cosmetic Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Hint of Red to just add a flush of color. Using my fingertips, gently dot the product on the usual areas where I like to apply the blush. Using a blush brush, I've blended it into my skin, building the color as needed. This one is an all-rounder tint. It nourishes your lip with oils in it. It suits a lot of skin color. Hint of Red is a beautiful warm red shade which gives a natural flush to your lips and cheek. This product is good. It feels so soft and it's weightless on cheeks and lips, and it looks so effortless, so adorable. You must try this one. Once my base is complete, I will just smoke out my lower lash line for a smoky look using the same brown shade that I have used on the eyelids. Now taking the Swiss Beauty Illuminator, I will use it as a liquid highlighter and then apply this on my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid bow, etc. And again blending with my fingers. Next up, I'm using mascara from Maybelline, the Hyper Curl, and I don't think so mascaras from Maybelline need any introduction. This is my 4th purchase. This shows how much I love this product. Now to set the makeup in place, I will use Swiss Beauty Fixer. The spray does a nice job of spraying the makeup fixer on the face. Just shake the spray a little so that if any of the particles are settled down, they will be all mixed up together, and then spray this 4 to 5 times all over the face evenly. Next, I let my face absorb the spray, and it takes about a minute of the spray to completely set in. The last step to complete the look is to apply a lipstick. So I'm using the Eba Cosmetic lipstick in the shade Nude Alert. The formula of the lipstick is very creamy and looks good on the lips. It's non-patchy, non-drying, and very comfortable on lips. Overall, I like this lipstick and it looks great as a blush too. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. This makeup I actually wore on my best friend's wedding. I'll put some pictures for the reference. You will see how good it looks on the camera. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.